Love and greetings. My name is Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. This topic is what we would call a hot one. What can a husband do to save his marriage after an affair? It's hot because if the affair was your wife having an affair, nothing. There's nothing you can do. From our experience, maybe someone has a magic wand out there. We have never seen it in over 20 years work out for a number of reasons. And many have tried. But if you've had an affair, and I may sound like a misogynist here or something to women who are watching this, but when you have an affair, women usually are more able to move on from that point. And they may recognize, we inspire them to recognize it as a wake-up call, because clearly the marriage isn't working, or there wouldn't be an affair. And when a marriage isn't working, it isn't working on both sides. I don't care what one says when the other's saying it's not working for either. And yes, there's still a lot you can do. Now, you can't get it done overnight, because it has to happen inside of you. And I use this example. Your behavior, all of your behavior, is based on who you are, your subconscious mind, and how you utilize your free will, and all of that. The sum and substance of you is who's behaving. So it's like saying, well, just tell me what I need to do, right? You're going, just tell me what I need to do. Don't go into all this. Okay, here's what you need to do. You need to change who you are, so that the possibility of having another affair is zero, because you're not the same person. You're not capable anymore. It's not that you have been beaten back, I learned my lesson. That's all nonsense. That stuff isn't true. What's true is you will always fall back to your old behaviors until you change you. And that means learning how to control your mind. It's a huge part of it, which is, and you could call it an infomercial if you want, which you do by getting our course for men. And not only learning how to control your mind, understanding your mind, you have to learn how to open your heart. Because love is why you got married. Love is what is missing in abundance, and joy and harmony. And so it's all about revamping you, and then your wife will start to see what's happening and be receptive to remaining with you. And that's it. I'm not going to make it long and drawn out, because it is rather simple and forthright. So you may take my suggestion to get the course for men, or pass on it. I don't mind. Either way, we're here to help you when you want us to help you. I hope you subscribe to the channel. You'll learn a lot about marriage you don't know. I hope you like this video. It tells me that I'm reaching you. And I hope your marriage gets past this point, and I'd like to help you with that. God bless you, and take care.